Namaskar. Welcome to the 14th Wari, 14th offering of this virtual Wari. Today's Wari we are going to talk from the real to abstract, or maybe from abstract to real. This Wari is going to talk about what is the reality, what is abstract, and what is virtuality. Is everything real? Or maybe it is just a partial reality, or it is just a virtual reality, or maybe it is beyond this. That is what we are going to understand. In one of the Abhanga of Santa Jnaneshwar, he calls to Vithala and says, "Tuझं दृश्य म्हणू की अदृश्य रे, दृश्य अदृश्य एकू गोविंदो रे." What should I say you, or what should I consider you? Can I consider you as a reality, or it's not reality? Whether it is reality or not reality, it is all you who is Govindu. तुझं स्थूल म्हणू की सूक्ष्म रे, स्थूल सूक्ष्म एकू गोविंदो रे. Should I consider you as an element or an atom of that element? Whether it is an element or part of that element or a minute part of that element or an atom of the element, it is you who is Govindu. तुझं सगुण म्हणू की निर्गुण रे. Should I consider you in a form or you are formless? सगुण निर्गुण एक गोविंदु रे. Whether it is a form or it is not a form, it is you who is Govindu. It is said in this Abhanga that whatever we see, it is nothing but Vithala, Govindu, or our own understanding about the universe. Once I asked my father, what is meaning of Vitthal? So he gave me a very beautiful answer. He said, विश्वात विचरणारा, ठाई ठाई ठ्यालेला, आणि नंतर मी तो ल्यालेला. So he said we as Vishwat Vicharnara, he said Thai Thalela, and La means me Lalela. That means everything in this universe which is moving, which is captured in this entire universe, and everything which is stable and settled in this universe, and that settlement which I have accepted and I have taken is Vitthal. So it can be of any form. It can be Vithoba, it can be Vitthal, it can be Parabrahma, it can be Parameshwar, it can be Allah, it can be God, it can be anyone. It is one that entire Ekatattva Nama, the only reality which is there in the universe and which is there present and settled in this universe and which I have accepted is Vitthal. Today we will see one Abhanga of संत ज्ञानेश्वर. पांडुरंग कांती दिव्य तेज झळकती, रत्नकिळ फाकती प्रभा, अगणित लावण्य तेजपुंजाळले, न वर्णवे तेथीची शोभा. When I went to see Vithala or Panduranga, the light which was sparkling from the Vithoba and the radiance which I could see was beyond the expression or beyond making you understand. कानडाओ विठ्ठलू कर्नाटकू, येने मज लावियला वेधू, खोळ बुंथी घेऊनी खुणाची पालवी, आळविलेनी दिसादू. We have seen what is meaning of Kannada Vitthalu Karnataku. However, in this Abhanga, Jnaneshwar Maharaj wants to say Kannada, that means ununderstandable. From the olden time, we consider Marathi and Kannadi, two languages, as sisters. But then they are not same. Marathi people do not understand Kannadi, or maybe Kannada people do not understand Marathi. However, we see that the first form of writing is at the base of Shravan Belgola's Bahubali statue. One side it is written in Kannada and one side it is written in Marathi. That means these languages are going side by side together. However, Marathi people do not understand Kannada. So here, Jnaneshwar Maharaj wants to say that one who has come from a land where I do not understand, or maybe one who speaks the language or the words which I do not understand, Kannada Vitthalu, Karnataka, yene maza lage alavedu. So he has come from that ununderstandable land, and he has taken my entire chitta, and he has taken my Ved. That means I am behind that Panduranga. खोळबुंती घेऊनी खुणाची पालवी आळविल्या निधी साधू शब्दविन संवादू दुजे विना अनुवादू हे तव कैसे निगमे परे ही परते बोलने खुंटले वैखरी कैसे नि सांगे. Whenever there is some language which you do not understand, then you want a translator and you do not understand the words. But he says, even if it is that so, Shabdevina Samvadu, with my Pandurang, without even words, I was having conversations. And we don't need that translator who is going to translate me his language, or he is going to translate my language. He tava kaise nigame, I don't understand how it is possible and how it is happening. Parehi parate bolane khuntale. There are certain steps of the language. Para, Pashyanti, Madhyama and Vaikhari. Vaikhari is the last one which I am speaking, and it is coming into a form. And behind that, the stage of getting that idea formation, and then creating that idea into a form, and then literally that form coming out from your mouth is Vaikhari. So, Para, Pashyanti, Madhyama and Vaikhari. These are the steps of language. So he says, Parehi parate bolane khuntale Vaikhari kaise ni sange. All these steps of language have stopped. And how will I even tell you the experience that I had when I saw Panduranga in simple words? I won't be able to narrate that. Paya padu gele tava paule chinna dise ubhachi swayambhu ase. When I went ahead and wanted to touch the feet of the Vitthala, I could not see the feet. Ubhachi swayambhu ase. He is everywhere. Samur ki pathi mora na kale. Is he in front or he is in back? I don't understand. Thakachi mi padile kaise? Thakachi padile kaise? I just got amazed, and I was just stand still when I saw that he is everywhere. He is all pervasive. Shema lagi jiva utabila माझा म्हणून स्फुरताती बाहू क्षेम देव गेले तव मीची मी एकली असावला जीव राहो. I wanted to go and embrace that, and while embracing, I understood that there is nothing to embrace. I am embracing myself. I am embracing Vitthala. बाप रखमा देवी वरु हृदयीचा जाणुनी अनुभव सौरसु केला. दृष्टीचा डोळा पाहू मी गेलिया तव भितरू पालटू झाला. When I wanted to see from my eyes, what is that? And whatever I saw that outside went inside in me, and I became one to the Panduranga. In another Virahini, Sant Jnaneshwar says, भेटीसी गेलीये तव तेची जालीये भुलली ठेलीये मज न कळे काही. When I went ahead, wanted to meet that Vitthala, I didn't understand. I just forgot everything, and I could not understand what's happening to me. Parateliye drushti jav magutya hali. And when I rubbed my eyes, I wanted to see that form. Tava kalina savali murti chozavena. Whether that, whatever I was seeing, whether that was black or that was grey, I just could not forget. Kaya sango maya nakale tayachi soye. I just could not tell you what experience I was having. Yene manachi moduni paye vedhile. Atu baheri kaise bharali ni range. Shema devu gele ange tava to joduni thela. When I wanted to embrace, I became so glued to that I just could not get separate, and there was no union, there was no separation, but it was together. Today we are going to see this Abhanga, Panduranga Kanti Divya Teja Jhalakati, by a well-known Kathak dancer, Srimati Astha Godbole Karlekar. Let's see this. Now we are only remaining with 2 more days of Wari. Tomorrow we will see Pasaidan, and day after tomorrow we will conclude our Wari. Until then, Ramakrishna Hari.
Divina